Fear not, for God is with you. Even when your heart is heavy, His hand holds you steady. Isaiah 41:10 says, "Do not be afraid, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God." In moments of weakness, He becomes your strength. When fear surrounds you, His courage fills your soul. Breathe in His presence and let faith rise inside you. Trust that He walks beside you, even when the path is unclear. Subscribe now for daily prayers. Type Amen in the comments and watch the full prayer below.